This is Enjoy the Ride 6x6 paper pack from Altenew. This paper pack is composed of 24 sheets with 8 unique designs. You get 3 sheets of each design. You can choose a more subtle background with a soft watercolored washed effect, or pick a fun floral pattern paper to brighten up your projects. This set is perfect for creating summer cards or scrapbook layouts. Introducing Enjoy the Ride 12x12 paper pack from Altenew. This paper pack is composed of 16 double-sided sheets with unique designs. You can choose a more subtle background with a soft watercolored washed effect, or pick a fun floral pattern paper to brighten up your projects. This set is perfect for creating summer cards or scrapbook layouts. This is Enjoy the Ride Blooming Ephemera Pack from Altenew. This ephemera pack contains 19 cute pieces. The designs of the ephemera are fun, colorful and whimsical. Some of the elements are a cute camera, bicycle, windmill or floral arrangement. These ephemera pieces are perfect for cards, scrapbook layouts and travel journaling. They will bring joy to any project. This is Enjoy the Ride Bouquet Builder Ephemera Pack from Altenew. This ephemera pack contains 26 pieces. Adding floral images and leaf embellishments has never been easier. Pick out your favorite floral images and some leaves and your creation is complete. This is Enjoy the Ride Chipboard Alpha Set. This sticker sheet contains 150 chipboard alphabet stickers that work perfectly with the other products from the Enjoy the Ride collection. The alphabet set is a simple lowercase font in a lovely burgundy color. Add a quick title or sentiment to your project with this cute alphabet sticker set. This is Enjoy the Ride Chipboard Sticker Set from Altenew. This sticker sheet contains 27 chipboard stickers that work perfectly with the other products from the Enjoy the Ride collection. Add a cute bicycle, fun flowers or an inspiring title or sentiment to your project in no time. These stickers will make crafting fun and easy. Introducing Enjoy the Ride Washi Tape Bundle from Altenew. This bundle contains 6 washi tapes varying in sizes from 1/2 inch to 1.5 inches and coordinate with the Enjoy Your Ride papers and ephemera. These washi tapes are the perfect addition to your stash and can be used as backgrounds or finishing touches to any project. To find out more about the Enjoy the Ride Washi Tape Bundle and other coordinating products, please visit us at altenew.com.
Hello crafters, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. Thanks for watching!